Welcome. This video is for educational purposes. Take every medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it. Today we will talk about InoD. InoD are vitamin D3 sachets. Each package of InoD contains 4 sachets. It is used as a supplement for healthy bones. Composition: each sachet contains vitamin D3 as cholecalciferol 2000000 IU. Indications: it supports bone health, which helps to prevent osteoporosis, rickets, osteomalacia, and hypercalcemia. How to use: mix the entire contents of a sachet in a cup of milk or yogurt, or use it as directed by doctor. Instruction: keep all medicines out of reach of children. Store in a dry and cool place. Use it as advised by the doctor. It is manufactured by the Best Laboratories Pack. It is marketed by ILS Innovative Life Science. InoD is not available online. You can buy it from any pharmacy nearby you. Warnings: tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of high calcium, vitamin D levels, difficulty absorbing nutrition from food, malabsorption syndrome, kidney disease, liver disease. Side effects: some side effects are observed if taken in more than the recommended doses, and these side effects are constipation, weakness, and headache. Note: this is an alternative medicine.